What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. This channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today's episode is another day in the outlet, and this kind of a little bit late upload because been busy for a while. But this one is, I would say, worst Nike outlet or Nike worst Nike factory store on here, and as you can see it is Nashville, Tennessee. So let's move on and let's see why I say that. And as you can see right here, ooh, nice color, huh? It's kind of updated camo, and we got the Air Max Tailwind for SP, and they were selling for $54.97 with additional 20% off. I would say it is good one. And another one, we got some kind of brand new in the Nike Air 720 ISPA. There you go. And this kind of some kind of different. So as you can see, it's really different kind of design, and wow, it's kind of wow. A lot of going on here. Well, what do you think? Would you cop this one? Maybe if they are in below retail though. So next one, we got the Nike Air Max 97 Heaven Clad in white and triple white, some kind with a gum bottom, and they were selling for $129.97. Nice. This one is really nice, kind of triple white something. Whoopsie. And the price kind of high for now, but it is kind of good for summer though. So this one $94.99. A lot of going on of color on this one. I think this one just released a couple weeks ago or months ago. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. So you got the Air Max 1 something. And what do you think on this one? Huh? Any thoughts? Will you cop them on this price, $94.99? Another one, $89.99. So we are in women's section now. This one is the Air Max TN Plus, and as you can see, the color is kind of vibrant, mainly for women's. Well, what do you think? Another Air Max Plus TN. This one is much better though, $89.99, and the color is kind of fire-ish going on, and faded from red to orange, or orange to red to black. Oh, nice. Okay, next one, we got $54.99 of the Nike Air Presto React. Comes with a black and a little bit of violet and blue accent. This one is really comfortable shoes. I wish it could be in my size, but the kind of violet thing maybe pass for now. So how about this one? Ooh, price $39.99. You can't go wrong on this one, and it's mainly some kind of black and a grayish thing, and it was meant to be for a zoom right there, and meant to be for a running shoes. Well, what do you think? Another one on this colorway. This one is some kind of Kentucky colorway, and also very good for running shoes, and the price alone $39.99. Very affordable shoes for running shoes that comes with a Nike zoom technology. So what do you think? Next one, we got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34, and comes with the pink orange colorway, and the price $49.97. Wow, that's already a good one for a running shoes with a lot of threads in there. $49.97. You can't go wrong on this one. So let's keep it moving, and we are still in the running shoes aisle, and these ones are the Nike Epic React. Most of them are just the same, $84.99 with different colorway. So what do you think for now? Why would I say this is one of the worst Nike factory store or Nike outlet store? So this one is a Nike factory store, And now I'll be moving into a different Nike factory store. So let's go and check them out. And we are here in the next one. We got the PG Paul George, the new edition of the Paul George, and they were selling for $119.99 and with additional 20%. Not bad for the new release of a Gatorade PG4. Next one, we get the Air Force One Low with a lot of colorway in this one, and they were selling for retail. And this one, I believe, is just released a couple weeks ago or months ago, and the price I'll pass even though it had 20%. So I had to go back on this one. So I had to take the zip off, and this is the Paul George the Gatorade. So what do you think? Yes, $39.97 for this one. Maybe not. But if you are looking for another one, hey, how about this one? $129.99 for this one. I've had this one before on the other outlet, and same thing goes on this one. Another good price, $59.97 for this. Wow. Well, this one is, I believe, used by Kevin Garnett during the Olympic Games, and this one has been retroed, and $59.97. You can't go wrong on this one. Well, $89.99 for this. It should be more cheaper. $79.99 for another one of the Air Max 720 with a different colorway. So let's take this out on the hash wall or the clearance wall of the Nike SB Max Janoski 2 and selling for $44.97 with the additional 20% off. What do you think, huh? Oh, this one looks clean. Some kind of green mint colorway with the Nike drop type mid with the 85 and with the 20 though. So we got the Paul George on $79.99 with a white and blue colorway. It's just a simple and very effective basketball shoes with the Paul George. Next one. What do you think of this one? We got LeBron here, and they were selling for $120. Really? Still, this one is expensive for me. I will pass. So another Kyrie right here, and another generic Kyrie is $69. Okay, so this what we got on this outlet. So did you already figure out why did I say this is one is the worst Nike factory store here, and this is in the Nashville, Tennessee, wherein I can't believe it. It is a big, huge state, and you can't even find one Jordan shoes, huh? Not even single Jordan shoes, even though those generic shoes like Jordan 312 Legacy, what else? Not even those generic shoes. I don't believe, like, this is a huge state and they don't have Jordan shoes. But anyway, we pick up a few, and I'll just show you what did I got on the second outlet. And first one, I think two on the second outlet. I bought this all on the second outlet. So let's take it out. Let's check this one. We got the Air Flight Posit 2, and the price tag was $99.97, but if you seen the video, you saw $59.99. And since they don't have the additional discount, which is supposed to have additional ones, but no, but I did pick them up for $59.99, and then additional 10% off plus tax though. So I picked them up anyway because they had a good comps. Boom. Bam. So what do you think on this one, huh? It's some kind of one of those robot thing, a cartoon. and not bad for the design, but I really don't like thing that has some kind of zip right here. But anyway, it's kind of comfortable though. It comes the zoom air here, and as you can see, very comfortable on this side. But I don't believe this one comes with a really good traction. Kind of flat. See, it's just me looking at it, not even wearing it. I don't see that much traction. Well, it comes fiber right there, and I think this one is really tight because of the zipper, and as you can see right there inside. But hey, I bought them not for me, not for the collection, but for resale. They were selling like 100 plus each, so probably might be double my money right there, because it was 59, now 10% off. Okay, moving on. So this one kind of excited for me. I was hoping it could be my size, but we got the Paul George 4, and it is the Gatorade. Yes, and we got the Gatorade Regency Purple colorway. Boom! You already saw in the outlet, and it kind of something, huh? As you can see right there, a lot going on. Nice design though. Well, it comes with the zipper. Take that out. There you go. The Gatorade logo. So, what do you think? Would you cap them on that price? Huh? Well, it was a good size for kids though, or for men's, for 8.5 for you probably. And as you can see, a lot of nice going on. This one is much better, has a lot of, I would say, traction on this one. Not much detail, but I would say it is a really good basketball shoes, and it's much affordable. And also probably it's a good one for resale, I thought. Yes, I did. So I looked into it. It was really good. So I picked them up, and this is the only thing that I found out that it was better on this outlet. So I would say it's not worth the drive 4 hours and then another 4 hours going back to my area. Well, it happens. So one of the worst Nike outlet, Nashville, Tennessee. So that would be all on this video. I hope you liked it, even though it's not really good one to go on this place or buy good ones for resale, but I found one. Hopefully it was good. Was my size, but I'm still gonna sell it for a double my money. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and thank you. I hope to see you again next one. Please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and please, during this day, stay at home, be safe, and social distancing. Okay? And please, before anything else, get your sanitizer and alcohol. Wash your hand and click the thumbs button and click that like button. Okay, all right, that will be all. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Nolasco here. Peace.